Hey beautiful people, how's it going? Welcome back to this channel, or welcome to this channel if you're new here. My name's Maggie. I post vegan lifestyle videos. Most weeks I post Monday through Friday, but this week I skipped 2 days, and that's mainly because I needed to get myself a hard drive. My computer is a Lenovo Yoga laptop, and the capacity on it is very small, so it was at that time where I invest and get myself a hard drive, so then that way every time I go and update my computer, put new videos and pictures on it, I don't have to delete old ones, and yeah, now I just have basically more storage. I also had to get myself a new SIM card because my old SIM card somehow cracked, which is strange. But today I want to share with you guys 3 beautiful ways that I like to eat my oatmeal for breakfast. But as you guys probably already know from my previous videos, oatmeal isn't just for breakfast for me. I eat oatmeal for breakfast, lunch, dinner, as snacks. I just love oatmeal. So if you don't like oatmeal, just try different ways to dress it up, and perhaps you'll be surprised as to how you like it. But nevertheless, let's get started with these recipes. For these berry oats, I will go ahead and in a small pot bring some frozen blueberries and strawberries to a boil, which will act as my hot jam. In another pot, I will go ahead bring my favorite plant milk with some cinnamon and flaxseed, and I usually grind my flaxseed, that's why it looks like grinded. And then bring that to a boil, add my steel cut oats, give it a good stir, put it in a bowl and top it with my hot berry jam, and then add my toppings. I am adding some hemp seeds, some coconut flakes, as well as 1 chopped Brazil nut for a source of selenium, and a little bit of date nectar for some sweetness. So delicious. For this acai with oats, I will go ahead and do the same thing, bring some milk to a boil and cook my steel cut oats. In a blender, I will go ahead and add frozen strawberries, frozen cherries, frozen blueberries, half a banana, some acai powder, as well as some maca powder, a splash of water. Bring that to a blend, and that is my acai. So in a bowl, I will add my acai with my oats and top it with my favorite toppings, which I went for some banana, pumpkin seeds, as well as some date nectar, because I'm in love with this recently. For the third option is a blueberry oatmeal. I will go ahead and add my favorite plant milk, which I added half a cup of coconut milk, half a cup of water, brought that to a boil, cooked my steel cut oats with some cinnamon, and then I brought in some blueberries, and it makes this delicious like blueberry like pie. In a bowl, I just simply added that, and then added my favorite toppings, which was some coconut yogurt, bananas, as well as some sliced almonds, peanut butter, and topped it with some raisins. You want to kiss me? Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. Alright guys, so those are the 3 recipes of the day today. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Last video I asked you guys about if you have any questions for me, because I wanted to do a question of the day. So somebody had a question and asked where my accent is from. I am 100% Polish. So therefore I have a Polish accent, but I also lived in Chicago, so therefore those 2 accents kind of intertwine, and now I live in Colorado. So yeah, that is the question of the day. If you guys have any other questions, make sure you leave them in the comments, and I'll continue to answer a question of the day in my upcoming videos. But without further ado, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!